This jump tutorial is going to explain the basic use of jump for fitting multiple regression models that we'll see in this class. And by multiple regression models here, I'm going to have a separate tutorial for polynomial regression. So right now we're just talking about individual explanatory variables not raised to a power. So I have the spreadsheet here, or the jump data file open for the data used on worksheet 5, the number of websites delivered. Now you'll see that we have our response variable here, and then the two explanatory variables are going to be the backlog of websites for each team and the experience of that team. So what we want to do is we want to fit this, and the way to do that is to go to Analyze and Fit Model for multiple regression. It'll open up this script. The first thing we want to do is we want to put our response variable in for y, and we want to select our explanatory variables in this construct model effects box, and you can just press add. And now here we're just going to press run, and it opens up this model fit screen. Now you can ignore these leverage plots, so I'll just collapse them for now. So what you see here is you have your summary of model fit, which I talked about in class. We can ignore the analysis of variance and lack of fit, and you have your parameter estimates. So you're going to focus on these when you're writing down the fitted regression model. You also have your residual plot, where it's plotting your residuals against your predicted response or your fitted values. So if you want to save this and print it, what you can do is you can go up here to Edit, Journal, and that'll open up a new jump screen. But the nice thing about this jump screen that says Journal at the top is it prints exactly as you see it. So if you want to print a jump screen, do the journal thing, then print it. Now, what if we wanted a normal probability plot of the residuals? Jump doesn't give that to us automatically, so what we need to do is go up here to the red Options tab next to Response, go to Save Columns, and then select Residuals. Now I'm going to hide the output screen, but if we go back to our data file, you'll see that we now have a residual column on that data sheet. So what we want to do is we want to go to Analyze, and we want to analyze the distribution of those residuals. We click OK in this prompt, and this is just like univariate descriptive statistics. I like to make it displayed horizontally, so I go up to the red Options tab and press Stack. But to get the normal probability plot, we click on the red Options tab next to Residual and highlight Normal Quantile Plot, and that'll give us the normal quantile plot, or what is really a normal probability plot. Now if you want to add this to your journal, if you want to print the whole thing, you can go up to Edit, Journal, and it'll either go on a new screen, or if you have both screens active, it'll add on to the last journal. So that is all we really need to know for multiple regression.